Hi everyone. This is the unspeakable, and I am back on someone else's porch. And yesterday I went to Walmart to pick up some supplies, and I walked past the craft aisle and I had my credit card, so I got some stuff. This I brought with me. This is eucalyptus oil. I'm going to coat this cup with the eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is good for the lungs, which is why I have it here. But I'm going to just coat the sides. It'll probably eat through the plastic eventually. And I have no silicone. I used craft paints, glue all, and the craft paint pouring medium. And here we go. I could not go. It's been probably a month since I poured anything. I could not go another day. So let's get started. I'm on someone else's porch, and I don't have any gloves. And my friend has a very nice house, and everything is gorgeous wood. So I cannot spill anything. If you notice, I got a lot of neon colors, not too many metallics, just a gold metallic. I'm going to use all of these up today and throw them out, and start again tomorrow. Here I am, and it's been 28 days, 4 weeks since I left my place. And so much has happened back there, and I'm here so lucky. I heard that they lifted the evacuation finally last week. The road to my house is still closed because so much burned on that road. I feel bad. Oh my, I'm so happy to be pouring. Just so happy. Also, there was so much ash, burned material, and fire retardant that the water is unsafe to drink or bathe in. So my heart and mind turn to everyone back there, and I wonder how I got so blessed, and I just keep being thankful. Okay, let's see what this opens up into. I don't think anything will be the same when I go back, and my being is turning towards what is my next expression of work and creativity for everyone in the universe, not just my local community. And pouring releases something in me. Even if I'm using alien materials like I am today, the act of pouring is so opening for me. While I've been here, I've been hiking in the high desert, in the sage. I'm not very good at selfies, I've tried, but I will compile something for you. I've also been cooking new things. Oh my heavens, that was messy, but satisfying. So this is the dry version, and it's so dry up here in the mountains, it only took 6 hours to dry. And this is my relationship with the fluid world. It really expresses something inside of me that I don't even have to think about. And I know this looks like an abstract to you, but I really see the landscape around me in this, and I may enhance it in Procreate to show you more. Thank you so much for watching.